Yeah. Sean Khalifa, man. Planes in the building. Mr. Spacely, Jets, everyone call me, man. Taylor Gang or Die. And this project is brought to you by Champagne and Paper Planes too. Yeah. Rostrum Records in this bitch. Yeah. Taylor Gang, Happy Hustle. Deal or no deal. I'm money affiliated. Yeah. Bitch. And I'm screaming, fuck them niggas who hate it. I'm money affiliated. Speculating me land, it musta got me mistaken with lame niggas. Know you gon' get high as fuck as long as the plane's with ya. Left that major situation alone and became richer. People talking down, but see me, I'm the same nigga. Leave your bitch around, we gon' drink the champagne with her. He don't touch the ground, see a cloud with my name in it. Only easy riders, please no cigars for me and my gang. Fool, I'm a legend in these streets cause how I do my thing. And don't wear the fitted, I got the city on my chain. Oh man, still they hate and talk smack, knowing if I was gone there'd be no throne to throw your rocks at. Cruising maximum altitudes, I'm trying to top that. So in touch with the real, them suckers trying to stop that. But I live or let die, party get high, and tell them lames to the plane or let fly. Don't know what they hate for, I'm just getting my paper. Well maybe they'll love me more when I'm gone. I don't wanna leave but I need to, it's such a shame.